Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cannoli without wine. First, let's focus on crafting the perfect shell. You'll combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Cut in 3 tablespoons of cold butter, then add 1 egg yolk and 1/4 cup of water or orange juice. Knead until smooth, then let the dough rest for at least 30 minutes. Now let's get those shells ready for frying. Roll your rested dough very thin, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch. Use a 3.5-inch round cutter to create your circles. Wrap each circle around a cannoli tube, sealing the overlapping edge with a little egg white. Make sure the dough is snug on the tube, but avoid stretching it too much, as this can cause cracking during frying. Next up, the star of the show, the creamy ricotta filling. Start by draining 16 ounces of whole milk ricotta cheese overnight. This is crucial for a thick, rich texture. Mix the drained ricotta with half a cup of powdered sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir in 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips or finely diced, candied fruit. Chill the filling for at least 1 hour to let those delicious flavors fully meld. It's time to fry and fill your cannoli. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the wrapped shells 2 or 3 at a time until they're golden brown, which usually takes about 60 seconds. Once fried, let them cool completely before filling. Remember, for more great tips and deals, including that fantastic sock link, check out the description below. Fill the cooled shells just before serving to keep them wonderfully crisp and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.